And when it comes to our racial sins, there's no place the church is more obligated to pursue this ministry of repair than in the church itself. In other words, we need to be seeking ecclesiastical reparations, church reparations. Well, what does that mean? What does that look like? First, church reparations means changing our vocabulary. It means introducing the language of repair in all of our conversations about race. Let's no longer talk about reconciliation without also talking about repentance. And let's no longer talk about repentance without also talking about repair.